we will introduce a tool for linking Fusion parameters to an Excel file. Here I have prepared a parametric model of the bearing. Here I have created parameters. Some are named and some have a default name. Turn on the tool and select Parameter Connector. Here we can see all the parameters divided into two categories: name parameters and unnamed parameters. There is also a Fusion document parameter, namely the file name. Next, we will choose an Excel file. You will see how such a file should be formatted at the end of the video. Here I select the individual rows from Excel that I want to link to the parameters. We can select all of them or just some of them. Now let's get down to linking the individual parameters. We can link individual parameters using the parameter names from Fusion 360. After linking a parameter, the rows in the table get a color indicating the linking. If we have not named a parameter, we can simply look it up in the Named Parameters category. Finally, let's match the file name with a line from Excel. After clicking the Submit button, we can select individual configurations. After selecting the configuration and clicking Submit, the model will be modified. After clicking the Apply button, individual configurations are automatically created with the associated file name and Excel values. When the job is complete, the Done message is displayed, and we can view the results created on our cloud. Here we can already see the results, which we can then compare. In comparison, we see that the first type has an outer diameter of 26 mm and a number of elements of 13. And in the next result we have the number of elements 17 and a diameter of 35 mm exactly according to the Excel specification. We hope you liked the add-in. Here we can see the used Excel file with formatting and parameters. The first column should be name.